Hello everybody, you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video I want to show you how you can be able to extract the months from the date column. So as we can see, this is the invoice date. We want to extract the months of the year in this particular column, so we'll use the text function and then we'll highlight this. What is the format we want to use? We want the months and the year together in this column. We'll close the function, then we'll run. Can you see that? So I'll double click this, it will automatically fill up the entire space. So since I'll fill this up, if I want only the month, I'm going to come in here and then I'll write equals text once again, and then I'll highlight this. I want the month to be in full, so I'll make it, the M will be in 4, as in the M will be in multiples of 4, and then I'll close, run this. Can you see? So December has come in, then I'll automatically fill it up. Then if I want only the year, I'll use the write function. Okay, what is the text? This is the text. And then what is the number of characters that I need from the right or towards the right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need the 4 characters that are towards the right. So I'll say 4. Then I'll close this. Can you see that? So the year has been updated. So if you can see, all these are the year. So this is how you can be able to get the months in full and then also the year. Thank you very much and see you next time.